Hey baby, happy birthday. I didn't know what to get you for your birthday, so I made you this video. With this idea, I hope you understand that I love you with all my heart, really, and I don't know what I do without you. You are everything that I have, you are basically my other half, and everything I ever wanted, a wife and a best friend, so thank you for everything, and thank you for being there for me when nobody else would. And honestly, I don't know what I'd be doing without you. I don't know where I'd be without you. Probably I'd be nothing. So thank you for everything. I really do appreciate everything that you ever done for me. You're an amazing woman and an incredible wife. Happy birthday, baby. I love you so much.
We set out at the first light. We lit up with the sunrise. Gets my heartbeat running wild when you're here by my side. And we'll dream out loud. Take our chance, take it now. Dreams we can run down, feel it fall into place now. We will go from this day on, take this world and make it ours. You and I, all lifelong, we'll take this world from this day. Dream out loud, take our chance, take it now.